This is a Mikrotik LtAP Mini LTE kit which I bought from the FG Tech store. I will put down a link in the description so you can check for the Mikrotik, Ubiquiti and the TP-Link devices. This LtAP Mini LTE kit is a small weatherproof wireless access point with a built-in cellular modem that supports 2G, 3G and 4G connectivity. It is a very budget-friendly devices. So in this video, we will see what you get inside the box and what feature does it have. Let's get started. This is the Mikrotik LtAP Mini LTE kit. We will unbox it and see what is inside the box. If you open the box, you will see the Mikrotik LTE kit yourself. You can see the interface, how does it look. On the back, you will see this is how it looks. So you have to open it and see exactly what does it look in other ports of it. So you have to open it this with a screw. We'll see when you open the screw how does it look. So if you lose the screw and open it, you will see the interface here, which is the PC input power, and this is the I think Ethernet PoE in, and this is the micro SIM card slot. I mean, not a micro. And this is the RS2 interface. You can see very soon you can see this is how it looks. And here on this side you will see the antenna, LTE antenna 1, LTE antenna 2. That antenna is sold separately, not in the box. So this LTE mini kit supports GPS, VLAN, Ethernet interface and everything. So you can power it with the Ethernet or you can power it with the adapter provided here. So we'll see about this mini kit and we will configure it and test it on this table. So this is the box of the Mikrotik LtAP Mini LTE kit. You get some guide where it says the name, MAC address, everything. These are some mounting screws, and this is the data plus power injectors, Ethernet injectors, internet. You can see this. So now check the LTAP Mini LTE kit. So you can see the design. It's very rugged, versatile, like weatherproof. So we'll see the interfaces. It got one serial RS232. There is a mode option, there is a reset button, and if you take a closer look, it got support of two mini SIM and it got one mini DCI slot. Also, it supports the Ethernet PoE in and it supports 12 to 57 volt. And there is also you can power with the DC as this adapter is also provided inside the box. So this LTAP Mini LTE has a power with the PoE, Ethernet or to the DC power adapter or you can power with the cable. So at the top you see the antennas connections. It's this LTAP Mini LTE kit has a GPS inbuilt in it. So this will be very useful product for a vehicle moving and tracking. So you can use these devices on a moving vehicle so you can track. Also you can mount the external antennas which is not provided inside the box. You can purchase it separately so you can mount the external antennas. So you can see this LTAP Mini LTE kit is a very small devices and it supports tons of features like you can either power with the Ethernet or it supports two SIMs, mini SIM. It has a mini PCI slot also, one serial communication for debugging, for console logs, and these SIM support all types of band 2G, 3G, 4G band. Also, it has inbuilt wireless access point also, which support wireless standard of 802.11 PGN. So we will see more about this LTAP Mini LTE and see how you can set up with the SIM like LTE SIM. So yeah,
That was Mikrotik LtAP Mini. Let's see what else LtAP Mini LTE kit can do. It is a compact unit you can mount on wall or vehicles. It included the GPS module for real-time vehicle tracking, and it got optional external GPS antenna which is sold separately. And the LtAP Mini LTE kit is available at FG Tech Store. You can check the link, and it support the wireless technology. The unit support 2G, 3G, 4G LTE band, and it has dual channel Wi-Fi 4 2.4 GHz band which support 300 Mbps data rate. And the wireless standard is 802.11 with 1.5 dBi antenna gain and 360-degree beam width. And the interface, it has 10 by 100 Ethernet ports with PoE in, and it has two SIM slot with mini PCI slot, and it got one RS-232 single console port and one micro USB and external antenna ports, and it got DC power with mode and reset switches. Now check about the CPU and OS. Each unit is powered by 650 MHz single core CPU, and it got 64 MB RAM and 60 MB storage. It supports router OS 4 with 9 watt maximum power consumption, and the operating temperature is -40 to 50 degrees Celsius. So LTAP Mini LTE kit is the best solution for your wireless network and the ISP, and it is very affordable.